Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with another walk around video. This is the 2023 Grand Design Reflection. Let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Mason with Brett's RV. Right here standing next to me, I have the 303 RLS Reflection. Started off first, you're gonna have your fully unobstructed pass-through storage. So as you look in the inside, you're not gonna have any obstructions, right? It's just gonna be a nice big storage for all the camping gear. With the slam latch baggage doors, you're gonna have two awnings, one on the actual fifth wheel and then one on the slide out. Down below, we have our Goodyear tires. And then to top it off, you have your 4-point leveling system as well, and that's automatic. You press one button and auto levels for you. Now on the inside, first thing as you see when you walk in, you're gonna have your compass connect, right? So you're gonna have all your light switches, your water pump, your tank heaters, all of your slide out switches, and your solar charge controller. Moving on, on the left-hand side, you're gonna have a little dinette. You're gonna have your storage, blankets, board games, whatever you got down there. Nice little ottoman too, so if you put it in front of your theater seating over here, heat and vibration on it when you're watching TV, or acts as a little ottoman as well. Tri-fold sofa that's gonna fold out into an extra bed, extra sleeping for the kiddos. You have your TCL Roku TV with your Jensen sound system. Down below, you have your fireplace on those cold summer nights. Little pantry, makes it nice for canned goods. Up top, you have your Furrion cooktop with the Furrion stove. Microwave, nice island for cooking, dicing those tomatoes. Then you have your 16 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator. Fridge, freezer, little coffee bar behind me here. Up into the bedroom and bathroom area. Walk through. Got plenty of space. Now I'm not a huge guy, but I can get in this pretty easily and still have space to walk around, shower. I'm about 6 foot, as I like to say. 6'5", you're gonna be nice and easy in here. Nice little sink. Like I said, plenty of walk through space. Into the bedroom, you're gonna have your wardrobe closets. Gonna have nice little drawers here. You're gonna have little bedside tables as well for charging phones. Boom, here. You also have USBs up top and your little lights for reading. Last but not least, you have your hidden storage under the bed. It's good for blankets, pillows, anything you want to put under there.
There you go. Mason, thanks very much for that walk around. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com. And for more information, click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios.